tryna fix my lipstick. I love myself, but niggas say I'm hard to deal with. I'm still hotter than them hoes that you chill with.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl YasmineCharde and I'm back for another wig review. Y'all, I got some rear hair today. I ain't got no synthetic unit today. I got some rear hair that I want to review for you guys. So shout out to Dollface Lyric, because if she did not review this unit and slay it the way she did, I never would have spent my coins on it. So yeah, I know you guys have already read the title, so y'all already know why we here. So let's get into this video. Here's the packaging. This arrived by DHL this morning. So here's the box that it came in after I took the plastic off. With Kiss Hair, cute little box. Y'all, they got some goodies in the box. They gave me an elastic band that I can sew on, a wig cap, and some eyelashes. And here is the wig. Like, y'all, I'm super excited about this because this is my first ever, like, virgin hair wig. Like, I'm super excited. So here's the wig. Look at the hair, you guys. It's so freaking soft. Let me take the net off, throw the paper down. Here's the unit. Oh my God, y'all. This hair is so soft. Like, oh my God, y'all. This hair is so soft. Ain't got body for days. I got a frontal unit. So here's the inside of it. It has the 2 cones on the side, 1 in the back, and it comes with adjustable straps. So that's super dope. Y'all, look at all the parting space I got, man. This is nothing like my synthetic units, honey. Oh my goodness, I got so much parting space. And the hairline came pre-plucked. So here it is. I feel like it looks good, y'all. I'm ready to apply this bad boy. I just gotta keep showing y'all how beautiful this hair is. And it's not too thick and it's not too full. And that's what I freaking love. What I'm about to try to do is to slay this wig on camera. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the entire struggle. This is my first frontal unit ever in life. So y'all bear with me. I'm just going by what I thought I saw in some videos. All right, so first thing first, I gotta take this wig off. God, okay. Put the braid back up in there. All right. And then, what I be seeing people do, they put the wig on their head. They put the wig on their head just to see. Okay. And I'm going to leave all the specs about this unit in the description box. Oh, y'all, look at these baby hairs. Look at this pre-plucked hairline. Like, y'all, look at the hairline. Look at the hairline, bro. I might do a little bit more plucking. But off the rip, y'all. Off the rip, like, just putting it on my head. Like, y'all, this hair is so soft, bro. I feel like I'm that bitch. We'll give y'all the specs about this unit right now. But I can't remember them off the top of my head. Like, I placed the order like a week ago. Oh, and by the way, this was some pretty fast shipping too, because literally I placed this order last week and I got it today. So I'm really happy about that. Like, it came all the way from China, y'all, and it came within a week. So I'm really thankful to God for that. But anyway, everything about this unit will be linked in the description box. So y'all please go check that out. Because, honey, I just can't remember what I ordered, but I just know I ordered the slave. Huh. So this what y'all do. Y'all just put the unit on, right? And then what I done seen people do was they adjust it to their liking. And they pull it up. Right. They see what they wanted. Cool. And then they start cutting the lace. But girl, I've been done cut my hair off. What I'm not gonna do is waste my money and mess up this wig. So I gotta cut this lace off camera. So I'll be back. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. And if I look different, it's because I took my coat off, girl, because I got a little hot. But here we are. We back. I haven't glued this down yet. So yeah, this is all the shading that I got once I cut the lace. And there was a little lace in the back in case you wanted to put it up in the ponytail, which I thought was super dope. So what I be seeing people do is they put the glue on, right? That what y'all do? Y'all put the glue on? Hell, I don't know. We just gonna wing it. We just gonna wing it. Hell, I do not know. All right. And then they put the glue on, right? So yeah, that's what I be seeing people do. They put the glue on. So I'm gonna put the glue on. And then they take a blow dryer on low. And they do this. Y'all, excuse my blow dryer for acting so ratchet. Like, I need another one. Why do it sound like that? Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna better use the blow dryer because my shit toe up. So I'm just gonna have to dry it this way. And they say you're supposed to wait till you get a little tacky. So, is it getting tacky? And then they take the wig and they slide it up. We're gonna slide it up. We're gonna place it where we want to place it. Alright. Alright. Alright, we're gonna slide it up. We're gonna place it. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. I need to put some more glue on this side. So we're gonna slide it up. Alright, y'all got the gist. Alright, you guys, I'm back and this is the unit. I did go ahead and put a little bumps and curls in it or whatever because, you know, I didn't like it being so straight. It looked just so plain. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little couple of bumps in and I feel like it made it look 10 times better. I put some concealer in the parting space. I did not tweeze it. I was having trouble applying this week and that's the reason why I couldn't do it on camera. My whole intentions of this video was to actually do it on camera and show y'all the complete struggle. But y'all, I was struggling so bad to the point where I know that nobody want to see it. Plus, I need to watch a couple of more videos myself so that I can get more educated in how to apply frontal units or whatever because, honey, I was struggling. That's why I couldn't share that with y'all. I am going to have to watch some more tutorials on how to slay these baby hairs because, y'all, it took me forever to get this one little swoop. It took me forever to get this one little swoop. And I want some more swoops. I really do. So I'm going to have to just play with this wig on my own time. I'm actually planning on ordering another wig from them because I am just so blown away by the quality and the price. Like, you can't beat this. So y'all be sure to check them out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.